Gandhi said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales, wants to hear your ideas. We want to hear from you on the doorstep, in the street, and here online. Are there policies or laws you would like to see implemented by the Welsh Government? What problem would your idea solve? How would it be of benefit to people in Wales? We want to know what you think of other people's ideas. Here you'll be able to vote for them and debate them. The best, most workable, implementable ideas will make it into our programme of government and will be enacted under a Plaid Cymru government. So contribute your ideas and vote on other people's ideas. Tell us what you think. The ideas which fit within the spirit of Plaid Cymru's philosophy and values will be presented by the initiator of the idea to a Plaid Cymru policy-making body. The policy will appear in our 2016 manifesto, subject to ratification by that body. Why are we reaching out to you? Wales faces many challenges over the coming years. In many cases, these also present great opportunities to break with the way that we've always done things, so that we can create something new. Plaid Cymru wants to make sure that we are in a position to deal with those challenges by building and strengthening the resilience of our people and our communities. We want our people and our country to be less dependent, finding more of our own solutions to our problems and taking control of the tools or powers to implement those solutions. We refuse to accept that it has to be like this. We know that this is not as good as it gets. Wales's poverty is not inevitable. No one has all of the answers or all of the solutions. No individual or organisation can deliver the changes we need to see. We will only get there if we're all prepared to pull together. Plaid Cymru sees the Million Ideas project as a microcosm of the bigger national project. As a party, we are committed to having 1 million conversations with the people of Wales before the Assembly elections in 2016. Conversations on the doorstep, in the street, in all kinds of meetings and events, and online. It is a process that we intend to use as an opportunity for learning. The Party of Wales wants to see Wales develop in an inclusive way, in a way which maximises the participation of as many of the citizens of Wales as is possible. It's our country. It will be better and stronger with more people involved and making a contribution. We are listening. So share your ideas with us. And please do all you can to help us promote this initiative by sharing the information with your contacts. Good luck.